So guys, we are going to create an amazing mathematic concept in this photo. So first of all, here we're gonna just make a duplicate of the photo. So just apply the preset, that is moody matte preset, right? I'll just put the same link in the description of the preset which I'm gonna use in this particular photo, right? So you can just use this and just make a perfect unique creative concept like a mathematics, amazing concept for your Instagram. This would be a pretty perfect and amazing concept, so you can just use and do such kind of editing in Photoshop and just stand out your Instagram profile to a next level. So we're gonna just first of all reduce, after applying the preset we're gonna just increase the blackness, and just we are going to increase the purple and magenta tone from the photo. And from here, hue and saturation, we're gonna just make a skin tone to kind of perfect that kind of goldish effect. So in order to get the gold effect, first of all we are going to get shadows to be increased because we want to get the perfect details of the black, so we are going to increase the shadows. All right, so here you can see the face is looking kind of dull or deep brighten, so we are going to brighten up with the help of luminescence, increasing the luminescence of red and orange tones over here, just like this way. And now the next thing we are going to do, you can just adjust this whole thing by your way according to your photo. All right, and the next thing we are going to do is adjusting some kind of fixing the skin tone. So the next, go to the hue and saturation of HSL, select the red tone and just move the slider to around +15 and just make a perfect golden skin tone to the photo, which will make an amazing theme for your photo. Alright, the important thing is to maintain the perfect skin tone of the photograph and just hit OK, just like this way, and just hit OK. Alright, if you wanna do still adjustment, you can just increase the clarity, and that's it. So you can see the difference by applying, after applying the preset, your photo is looking kind of moody mattish effect, which would be a pretty perfect photo or the theme for our Instagram. Now all you need to do is you can just download this old PNG file of this numericals and all the symbols of the mathematics, and just place here and there just like this way randomly on all over the photo of the models. And you have to maintain the size also, and just make the white color, and also make it go to the filter and select the Gaussian blur and just increase the size of that photo and just make an amazing Gaussian blur, and just it will just create an amazing 3D effect to the photo. So just place here and there all the types of the mathematical symbols. I'll just put this link in the description. You can just download this mathematical PNG from the link. Alright, now just you need to do is just merge all the layers. First of all we're gonna just increase the whiteness from the face, so with the help of levels we're gonna just increase it and just hit OK. Now add a layer mask, select the brush tool and just only paint on the face region. Make sure you have selected the white color on the foreground. Alright, now select the brush tool and just paint on the face, so you can see the huge difference. Your photo is totally looking pretty perfect and kind of enhanced, which is making an amazing theme for your Instagram. Alright, so the next thing we are going to do is merging all the layers. You can decrease the opacity from here. So you can see now it is really looking very creative and unique theme for your Instagram. Now just merge all the layers. First of all, add a solid mask and select the black color over here and change the blending mode to multiply. Decrease the opacity to get the perfect details of this color effect. So we are going to do this process of adding these symbols here and there. Alright, now select the brush tool and just paint it on, and just remove that black tone or the black color layer from the face, also from the skin tone, that is a hand tone, and near the hand area, also on the skin on the face. Alright, just like this way, so you can see the difference. It is really looking very perfect. So we have to reduce that or delete that black area from the skin tone and also from the hand region. So as you can see, huge difference can be seen in the photo, which is making it look more amazing. So the next thing we are going to do is just decrease the opacity and just make it to around 60%. Select the white color and just you can just paint over where you don't want that area. It is totally up to you. So you can see the difference. It is really looking pretty perfect, and you can just place this alpha, beta, gamma and all the symbols, or else you can just download it from the Google and add more symbols to the photo. So guys, now the next thing we are going to do, just merge all the layers, and finally we have done our process of editing. And you can see guys, it is really looking a perfect photo for your Instagram, a unique theme. So guys, I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, then just smash the like button so that it will motivate me to make more videos and presets like this for you guys for free. And guys, if you still not subscribed to our channel, then kindly do subscribe and visit our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. And guys, it will take time 2 or 3 days to maintain because site is under maintenance, so you can just download the old preset after 2 or 3 days. Alright, also visit my second website, that is filterpreset.com. And also guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, just type ashvircreations. So guys, thank you for watching and bye bye till the next video. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome.